Hi everybody, it's me again, and I wanted to share with you two new traveler's notebooks that are in my shop. These are both for, well, spring, but one is more specifically Easter, then one is more spring. Now, these are in the shop, but again, by the time you check it out, I can't promise you that they'll still be there. My shop, I cannot keep a lot of stuff in my exhibit shop, unfortunately. I don't have the time to really make a lot of stuff and have it in stock. So, you know, I do a few at a time. I'll do either 2 at a time or 4 at a time, but yeah, I mainly do the videos just to share with you my projects, but of course, you know, let you know if they're for sale or not in the shop. I will put the link to the shop. Now, if you don't see the items, that means they're sold. And again, I don't have a lot of stock in the shop, so it's not going to be that hard to find. So I'm just showing you here the two kits that I used that I found at Tuesday Morning. This one's called Easter by Alicia Whitcomb. And this is an Echo Park paper. And this is a recent find at Tuesday Morning, so it wasn't that long ago. I'm sure this is an old collection, but did I put a year on these things? 2016, so yeah. And then the other one, the spring one, I used this one, which I have the wrong side, is called Spring. So really easy, Easter and spring. Same maker and company, and this is the thing on here. So all the paperwork is using those two kits and nothing else. Alright, so they are B6 size, a nice size, and you could use these for anything if you want to do a little bit of like a junk journal, or, you know, add photos of the kids or something. So there's options, because again, this is just spring. There's really no like bunnies and eggs except for a couple die cuts that you're going to see in a second. So let's just start with this one from the spring collection or kit. And I did put this really pretty charm dangle that I made a while back. Thought that was appropriate. And then I did put a sticker inside that says Spring Showers Bring May Flowers. I absolutely love the paper. I love both of these and the color scheme, because, you know, I just love those colors. And then that's the back. Sound like somebody just dropped something from the stairs. Anyway, you do have a white elastic, and there's going to be 4 inserts, 4 elastics. There will be 3 clips on both of them. And this one here, I recently shared. I made these using hair clips. So this one's coming with the light pink, like a teal palm clip, and then a little tassel clip. This one has this pen here. It's a little close. Does this back up a little? Nope. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, the pen. Okay, this is one of the Hobby Lobby pens. And then a teal elastic holding that. So let's go inside. And first off, you got the inside. There's a pocket from Target and then a card. All these cutouts are from the same collection, so it all coordinates. I did make a shaker. I had to. I just couldn't resist. And I did have for this one like butterflies and flowers. So there's assorted butterflies in there. And I did it without an insert of paper in there, because I wanted to see the background or the front of the first insert. Both of the TNs are going to have lined paper inserts and one solid. Okay, and usually the solid ones are a lot thinner than the lined ones. I had cut them down to fit. I didn't put the clips on these. I think actually I forgot to add something. Did I? No. You could use the clips to hold these apart, but again, I do cut these down. These, I can't remember, I think they were Dollar Tree. So you can just either glue it down, because this will come off if you want to change it out, but you can stick it down if you want, or whatever. Now the paper doesn't come with this cloud, but I put that as one of the stickers from the collection, and the word spring. I thought that was cute with the umbrellas. I did make a page marker, and lately I've been using a lot of different things to do the tabs, and this time I used a sticker of a flower. That's the back. And then in the pocket, another Target pocket here, you got another card and your washi sample. And lately with the washi samples, I've been adding the little tab too, because I think it's really cute and super easy. Just a little something extra, like for a little pull or something. And then again, this is spring, so I just put some grass washi and cloud washi there for you. And that's the back of that. Really pretty. I like the fact that this is double-sided paper, so I didn't need to double this up. Yeah. Okay, so let me just slip this in here, and then the palm is right there. This is actually a palm from Hobby Lobby already made. So then the other side of the shaker is just a pocket. So I just put a piece of paper in there or cardstock that you can do what you want with. I am adding my 2 pockets here. So one with the split, and you got it on the same side too. And then the second one is the full pocket. Now both of these are going to have these same die cuts because I didn't really have a lot of spring and Easter things. So they're exactly the same, but even though I didn't want bunnies and chickadees and stuff like that, I did throw in these guys because they're super cute and they are the same. And then you got this, and you can decorate your planner with this, and this hello little friend, and then the little birdie. He's so cute. So I just threw those in for fun because I had them. They're just die cuts, so you know they're not stickers, and they will be in that pocket there. Alright, so then this is your folder right here, really pretty. Again, you can decorate this more. And in your folder, you're going to have a little sticker sheet and an extra pocket that you can put wherever you'd like. And then, oh, let me show you these. These are the cutouts. So I did cut out a whole sheet of them. So you can do what you want. So you get these 2 and then these bigger ones. I know they don't fit in here, but I mean, you could stick it down in this direction or just fold it. It is double-sided. Or use it somewhere else. Or cut out that. Sorry, I'm yawning. It's late. Okay, and then you got your little credit card pocket here, which you can remove my card. This is just my business card, so I've been doing this lately because I did buy a whole bunch of those. So yeah, stick whatever you'd like in there, and then the other 2 pockets that I mentioned, and then here is the second booklet, and you'll see as far as thickness, here's one, and then this little guy it's thinner. I do cut those down, you know, from something bigger. I put the flower clip there and your pen holder here, and then a sticker that says bloom where you are planted. I do not adhere these covers all the time, so you can, you see right there, this is just a solid yellow. It still coordinates though, so you could do what you like with that. And then the plain paper, that's how it looks. Alright, and then here is your dashboard. I do like to add that when possible, so lately I have been. And in the dashboard, now this dashboard I made it a little thicker than usual, but it will work out when you start filling this guy up. Usually the space is not as wide as you see it. But last time I screwed up and made it too tight, so. And then anyway, dashboard, and the dashboard on the back with a few sticky notes. And then your last insert. Now this insert, I had removed the actual cover. It was an ugly cover, so, but it's not adhered or stitched to this. You can staple it together if you'd like, but this is stapled together. All these sheets are stapled together. I did that afterwards because this is a stitched notebook. So I removed the stitching, took off the ugly cover, stapled it, and then just put this as a loose cover. And then here is a sticker of an air balloon, a hot air balloon. And that's pretty much it there. And that's the other side. You could use that extra pocket I'm giving you and put it here if you'd like. There is words on here. So that is the Spring B6 TN. Okay. And then here is my Easter one. This is obviously Easter because of the bunny. And I did this. This is using an earring from Walmart. Am I in frame? I'm just looking now. And I do have another one in here somewhere. Let's see if I can find. Oh, here it is. So I got these last year. And I just take off the earring part, the little hoop or whatever that's called, and then use it as a charm and dangle it. So really cute. And I recently shared a video with these egg clips. I got a whole bunch here that I didn't even use, but, and this one here, it's like a resin or something, I don't know. Okay, so then this paper, really, really pretty. I had to use this one, even though I could have used some other ones, but I just love the pattern and the color. And then I stuck on the sticker with the bunny and then the word bunny. I did highlight with a white gel pen because it kind of disappeared with the background before I laminated it. Here's another pen, different one. You can see it's different, but it's also from Hobby Lobby. And then here we go inside. I love this page here. It is the reverse of this side. And we got the Easter jelly beans, hippity hoppity, chocolate bunnies, coloring eggs, spring, April, May. And then in this shaker is obviously Easter because I put bunnies and eggs and flowers. I love the color combo. I even found these mint colored or lime colored from good grief, I can't remember the name of the company that sells those sequins. I'll try to remember, but I rarely buy sequins online. Most of my sequins is from the stores or my shaker bits, but there are a few that I got online. The little ones, I know they were from AliExpress, but the other ones, Cartwright, that's the name. That's where I got the green ones, Cartwright. Okay, back to this. I love this cute bunny page, so I put Happy Easter there, sticker from the collection, and then my page marker here, I put a carrot sticker, really cute. That's the other side. And I meant to put a card, which I'll just do now. I think this one would be cute. Just for looks. I'm going to put that in here. So we got your card. It's about all the chocolate. And then your sample washi. So this one's specifically Easter. And then a little flower sticker there. You can move everything around. I just kind of like to display it in a way, you know, that looks cute when I'm showing you. Alright, so then that's the other side. And this, again, this notebook, I had removed the cover. And it's not permanent. So then here's the other pocket that's from the shaker side. And this is removable. And you got those same die cuts that I shared earlier. And same pockets. Then here is the folder. Same sticker sheet and other pocket. And another pocket here for business cards and credit cards. And then these cutouts. It's the same amount of cutouts, I believe, in both kits. So I just cut up, because you get 2 sets of each. And then the reverse looks like that. And then the inside of this is bunnies. Bunnies. Okay, so then we have more pockets. And then this is the next one. This is the one with the blank sheets. And I did put a sticker, which I cut down because it was too long. And then the last egg I actually put on the back. Right there. So, really cute. Your clip. And this is, you know, just open it over here. This is the inside of this one. And the white sheets. Alright, so this is the dashboard. And the next insert here. And that's what the inside of this one is. And the lined paper. And then on the end here, this dashboard, you're going to have these sticky notes. The only difference is the colors. And that's so cute. And that's it. So those are my 2 Easter spring Traveler's notebooks, I had to make them. I just had to. I wasn't going to, but I had to. I think I've been doing all the holidays. The only one I'm not doing is St. Patrick's Day. Because I hate green, and St. Patrick's Day is only a few days away, so there's no sense in doing that now. Plus, I don't have paper. Okay, so there it is. And again, thank you all for watching. Do check the links down below for these. It's going to be just straight to the shop. If it's there, again, you will see it. If you don't see it, then most likely it is sold. So, see you guys next time.